right. So this is a suggestion. The name of the song is Dysth3mia by the artist Raining Sorrow, Easy Mill's sister. Yes. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. The more that you like this content, the more that I know that you specifically want to see more of this content, okay? Before we jump into this here, this is a serious title here, okay? I definitely hope her, at her young age, is not, suffering from the crippling mental illness known as dysthymia. It is the highest form of depression that I think a human being can actually go through, right? People that suffer from dysthymia, they have no interest in living, none, right? And I think that she is way too young and talented to be going through that. But if she is, I hope that she's able to pull herself from this situation here. All right. All right, let's jump into it. Let's see what it sounds like.
2, 3, 4.
Okay. Amazing so far.
You are a warning sign telling me to not get close.
Her voice is very breathy, right? And I have no complaints. It sounds good. It feels indie almost also, dude. Like it's just that indie, like breathy style of delivering vocals. It's generally meant to elicit some form of emotion. Let's get it. She's doing very well. Let's get it.
Me to not get close, but I never read the lights saying don't you overdose. 3 times of sleeping, melatonin pills don't work. Might as well go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill holder. I'm older.
Ooh.
Tapping on this glass window, I'm breaking every single rule that I was supposed to follow. 3 silent voices break me out of my sanity. They know my sorrow.
This is a hit song. I think anyone who hears it will love it. That's it. I'm just going to continue enjoying it. Okay. I'm sure you guys will also. And this is without a doubt a hit record. Okay. Crazy levels of talent here. All right. And for her to be so young, it's almost absurd, right? From the first time I heard her sing, I felt as if she was too young, kind of vocally. Just in general, right? How she was delivering on the song Perfect, the first time I heard her. She was great, but you can tell that she was young, right? And this honestly feels a lot more mature. And I cannot tell you how many years are like between these songs. I'm gonna guess this is new because it just came out, right? But dude, this is impressive. Okay, super impressive, right? Whoever produced this, congratulations, 'cause this is amazing, right? I don't know if Easy Mill did this one with her too, but like, yeah, dude, amazing. Let's get it.
Out of my sanity, they know my sorrow.
Like, it's a whole vibe, you know?
1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4. I'm wondering what this story's for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out. I'm gonna hurl voices and making it mixed reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty.
Okay. This is a vibe, bro. This is a vibe. Listen, this video on her channel has like, I think, like 3,000 or something views. Please give her more views, people. All right, go to her channel immediately, right, and be like, well, shit, you can't, because on this song here, the comments are actually turned off, so you can't like comment on it. But listen, support her. She is talented. Even if you have to message her on like Instagram or something like that, dude, just like, she's young, right? She is the future. You know what I mean? She needs to be thrown as much praise as humanly possible so she can actually continue this. She deserves this, right? You know what I'm saying here? But as I said, I definitely hope that she's not suffering from this condition, though. That would be heartbreaking. You know what I'm saying? But let's get it.
Inside this religion, my loved ones came up with to not die. The key was kicked inside the locked door. Now we can't go on there anymore. I'm here falling apart into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really want to die, but it's actually getting tiring.
1 second.
Pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really want to die, but it's actually getting tiring. I think of next morning.
So she says she actually doesn't want to die, but she's just getting tired of thinking of the next morning. Man, I hope we're not listening to like her true, like, I hope this is just a story that she's telling for music purposes. But like, dudes, if this is the case, like, literally tell her she's great. You know what I'm saying? Tell her she's great on a daily basis, because she's great. You know what I'm saying? Honor her music. Give her roses while she's alive. You get what I mean? This is craziness, bro. Let's get it.
One step, two step, three step, four. I'm wondering what this star is for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out. I'm gonna hurl voices and making mixed reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty. You take everything we say and make it seem like we're two-faced, but all you're doing is making our thoughts a reality. It's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of.
But you did kind of, I mean, I don't know if she was just banking off the fact that not many people would know of this specific condition, but she kind of is telling what's going on with her, and the fact that she just said she's just tired of worrying about waking up basically the next morning. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
That is making our thoughts a reality. I'm not okay, but it's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of suicidal thoughts and cool starts. 4 step, 3 step, 2 step, 1. I'm waiting till the sun is. We can all just watch and learn as the world collapses in and burns, dissipating, all degrading. That's while I'm disintegrating. No thoughts head empty as a way to die without feeling a thing.
What?
That's it, empty as a way to die without.
1 second.
Lapses in and burns, dissipating, all degrading. That's while I'm disintegrating. No thoughts head empty as a way to die without feeling a thing.
She would prefer to have her thoughts empty so she can die without feeling a thing? Oh my God. Listen, as I said, tell her that she's amazing. She's really young. You know what I'm saying? She's obviously super talented. She deserves, you know, everything that her brother is experiencing right now. You know what I'm saying? She definitely does. She's super talented. Nothing but respect for her artistry. And honestly, if this is what she's going through, she needs people in masses, right? To run to her and tell her that she's amazing, right? Dudes, let me know in the comments if there's anything else I should be listening to from her, and I will get to it as soon as I possibly can. And listen, you guys have an amazing day, and if you are going through something like this, speak to someone outside of your circle, okay? You understand, right? Dude, enjoy your day, okay?
Oh, yeah. Say